A very good morning, everybody. We are going to have a look to what is the difference between CV, resume, and biodata. Summarizing the thing about CV, resume, and biodata, I would like to tell you that all are almost same, but we need to know the brief difference between all these things. What are the different? Where do we use these terms? Talking about resume, resume is a word originated from the French word education, skills, and employment summarized together is called a resume. A resume is an outline of what you are and does not list down all the details of a profile but showcases specific skills customized to target the job. For a fresher, a resume generally starts with a career objective, followed by education, qualification, project details, major skills, internships, workshops, strengths, interests, personal details, and so on. It is always a good idea to get your resume prepared by experts. It is easy for them to identify the best in you and are expertized to construct a resume which highlights the best in you. Usually, details about a person are broken into bullets and written in the third person to appear objective and formal. Focus is always to have the best in you, showcased and easily readable. Interviewer, don't spend more than 30 seconds to select or reject a resume. CV or curriculum vitae, popularly known as CV, are words originated from Latin word. CV contains details which are more relating to education and life. It is a more in-depth details than a resume. It may be 2 to 3 pages or even longer depending on one's requirement. It covers all details in chronological order. It covers general talent rather than specific skills for any specific position. Biodata. Biodata is nothing but an old-fashioned terminology for resume and CV. Biodata is the short form for biographical data and is an archaic terminology for resume or CV. In a biodata, the focus is on personal particulars like date of birth, gender, religion, race, nationality, residence, marital status, and so on, other than education and experience. At times, biodata also include applications made in specified formats as required by the company. The term biodata is mostly used in India and are usually used while applying for government jobs. Let us have a brief look about what is the main difference again with resume, biodata and a CV. Biodata, one page consisting attributes, hobbies, interests, educational qualification of a person. Resume, 1 or 2 pages, summary of skills, educational qualification, experience of a person. CV, a longer, more detailed synopsis indicating professional experience of a person. These are all about the brief description about CV, resume and biodata. In our next chapters, we are going to read out the oral communication and written communication.